Next on the list, we've got something that looks rough on the outside, but under the hood, it's a completely different story. This is a 1973 Chevrolet Corvette Stingray, priced at just $8,000. And honestly, the performance per dollar here is almost unbelievable. At first glance, it's a blue Stingray that clearly needs some finishing touches, a hood, a windshield, and a proper paint job. But once you hear what's inside, those cosmetic issues start to feel pretty small, because this car is running a brand new Gen 6 502 big block, fully built from top to bottom. Roller cam, 10-to-1 compression, a big Holley 850 carb, a completely new fuel system. Even the wiring is brand new thanks to a full painless harness. Everything under the skin has been refreshed, replaced, or upgraded. Power goes through a TH400 with a Pro Torque converter, paired with 3.08 gears, and the seller is even throwing in a numbers-matching 4.11 posi rear end. So whether you want street manners or drag strip aggression, both setups are literally included in the price. The best part? This thing already runs and drives, and the seller claims it's capable of low 11-second passes. That means the bones are here for a seriously fast street strip Corvette. You just need the finishing touches to bring it back to life visually. For $8,000, this Stingray is a sleeper project with massive potential. A car that may not look like much today, but underneath, it's truly built to hurt feelings. Sometimes the best projects are the ones that need vision, and this Stingray has a lot of future written all over it.